How to fix the location not available on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble of location not available, here are some fixes that should help. So without any ado, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure the location services are on. For this, head over to your settings and then tap on your name or the Apple ID banner. After tapping on it, click on Find My. If you are getting this error, first of all tap on OK and then tap on Share My Location and then toggle it on. Ensure that it's enabled. After that, make sure that your internet connection is stable. For this, you can either use the Wi-Fi or switch to the cellular data. After this is done, you must update your iOS. For this as well, go to your settings and then tap on General. Then click on Software Update and tap on the update available. Once updated, restart your iPhone. Likewise, also check the other person's settings. For this, ensure they have the location sharing enabled in the Find My application. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.